Hello everyone and welcome to HairCareShare. Today we'll be reviewing the Serie Expert Metal Detox Shampoo from L'Oreal Professionnel, a series specified in neutralizing unwanted metal deposits that accumulate in your hair. How does it work? Does your hair need a metal detox? And is this the right shampoo for you? Let's find out.
Hi, my name is Herman. I'm a self-employed hairdresser with over 25 years of experience, and I'm here to share my hair care expertise and insights with you.
According to their official website, the Serie Expert Metal Detox neutralizes excess copper and other unwanted metal deposits that accumulate in your hair. The level of metal in hair varies depending on hair porosity and on the water quality where we live. Metal Detox not only prevents future hair breakage, but also revitalizes and repairs existing damage, leaving your hair locks stronger, healthier, and more resilient.
So here are the key ingredients. Glycomina, a patent technology that can penetrate into the hair fiber to neutralize the unwanted metal deposits. The sodium lauryl sulfosuccinate and sodium lauryl sulfoacetate. Both are good, mild, non-irritating surfactants that can really foam up but gentle to the skin. And of course, glycerin, dimethicone copolymer, and amodimethicone. No surprise here, this shampoo contains a healthy dose of silicone. Not a bad thing, but it's obvious, right? Sodium chloride, yep, and a pinch of salt. Why detox? So basically, when you do a lot of coloring or lightening on your hair, the hair becomes damaged and porous. When water containing metal particles is used to wash hair, particularly in areas with hard water, those particles can accumulate in the hair over time. This buildup can lead to various issues such as dullness, dryness, and even discoloration of the hair. On top of that, the metal particles in the water can also interact with hair products, so it could affect the performance of your hair products and whatnot. And that's why we have this metal detox series to neutralize the excess copper and other unwanted metal deposits.
The packaging design is the same as the rest of the Serie Expert. Shampoo bottle is made of 100% recycled plastic. The Metal Detox series is designed with the color white. The series comes with a pre-shampoo treatment, shampoo, mask, serum, and ends serum.
The fragrance has a very refreshing zesty citrus note, which is a very welcome surprise, as I would have expected something more of the scent of coconut since the color of the shampoo is milky white. Texture is a bit liquidy but not too runny. The shampoo can easily foam up, so be careful with the dosage. The mask is pearly white and the texture is a bit thick and creamy. There is no mica or any other glittery stuff in the mask, which is great. And it shares the same zesty fragrance as the shampoo. The leave-in cream is also white. Texture is soft, almost like a face serum, making it very easy to apply and absorb on the hair. The serum is very concentrated, so it's better to follow the official recommended dosage. Always start with 1 pump at a time. And last, we have the concentrated oil. This yellowish liquidy gelish goodie is the heavy-duty end serum for the very damaged ends to prevent breakage or split ends. And here is my model for this demo. She has multiple layers of color from prior, including lightening highlights and permanent colors to cover the grays, and yeah, it was pretty bad. So we are going to use the complete metal detox set to ensure a nice coloring session. First, I used the in-salon product the pre-treatment to spray on the hair before applying the color. Let the hair dry a bit before continuing. And now, once the color process is complete, we rinse off all the color cream and apply the anti-deposit protector to lightly coat and smoothen the hair. After washing the hair with the Metal Detox Shampoo, use a small scoop of the mask to help further smoothen, strengthen, and hydrate the hair. Official instructions says leave on for 1 minute before washing. Go ahead and leave it on for 2 minutes if you want to marinate it a bit longer. Not that you will get more flavor out of it though. Towel dry the hair and apply the leave-in cream, 1 pump at a time. Begin to apply from the ends, working your way up and avoid the roots and scalp. This leave-in cream is very concentrated, so be careful. Applying too much will make it difficult to dry the hair and cause the hair to get that greasy look. For very damaged ends, use a small pump of the concentrated oil to mend and protect. Then, just dry as usual. Here you can see me using only a flat brush. This way we can see the results in a more natural state. And here is the final result. Hair looks glossy and super healthy. The hair definitely doesn't feel like it just got colored. Chemical treatments such as coloring or lightening can temporarily alter the structure of the hair, making it feel rough and dry immediately after the treatment. These processes often involve the use of harsh chemicals that can strip the hair of its natural oils and moisture, causing dryness and rough texture. Also, the cuticle layers of the hair may still be open, not completely sealed after the coloring. That's why the hair feels rough. But by using the Metal Detox series, the roughness vastly improves. Hair feels smooth to touch. Is it color safe? Well, of course it is, obviously. You just saw my demo. I just used this as a post-color shampoo. And I mean, it is designed for very damaged hair and for lightening. So yes, it is very safe. This series is specifically for over-processed and color-treated hair. Anything from permanent colorings to balayage to lightening to bleached hair or just really bad damaged hair. The shampoo can be a bit heavy if your hair is not the heavily damaged type, so this is a very specific shampoo. Make sure your family members don't use it out of convenience, so just don't leave it in the bathroom, put it somewhere safe. Do you need to use the whole set? No, you can always mix and match. Short hair will do just fine with shampoo or maybe a tiny dose of mask to go along. Long hair will do fine with the addition of the leave-in cream. You only need the concentrated oil if your hair is very long, damaged, and full of dry ends. Out of the 5, actually, we have this Metal Detox pre-shampoo treatment, which is fairly new. I just got it last week. So I'm not going to talk about it yet. I really need, give me some time, and then I will let you know how this works. But I'm pretty sure it works great. So out of the 5, I would say my favorite would be the shampoo and the mask because they are so easy to use, they are easy to apply, easy to foam up. It's great. Out of the 4, I would say the protector cream is my least favorite. It's not bad, it's a great product, but it's just really tricky to use because you just have to use the correct amount. I have a customer which is, she has blonde hair, like really thin blonde hair, and I have to be really careful with the amount I use, otherwise her hair just looks really greasy after drying. So yeah, it is too concentrated. So my advice to you about the protector cream is always start with very little and then add. I think even if you have like short hair or like really thin hair, even one full pump will be too much. So maybe even just half a pump. Another tip would be to get some professional advice from your hairdresser on which one to use and how much to use. And personally, I tend to use the Absolute Molecular Leave-In Mask more instead for my daily work and also for myself. I feel that the leave-in mask gives more elasticity to the hair than the Metal Detox cream. Comparing to the Absolute Repair Molecular, both shampoo are very similar. Even the ingredients are quite similar. But I think the Metal Detox is more nourishing because it really targets on smoothening the cuticles, while the Absolute Repair Molecular is focusing more on the strength of the core. Also, the Metal Detox is more suitable for bleached, lightened hair, so that should give you a better idea that it has to smoothen out all that porous, rough hair. So I have to say this one is a tad stronger, and this one gives a little bit more bounce and volume. And compared to the Vitamino Color and the Metal Detox, what then? Well, obviously, if you just color your hair every now and then, maybe like 3 times per year or something like that, or if you have like a very vibrant color, like a reddish tone or a copper tone, then this is still a good shampoo to keep that vibrancy. But if your hair has been colored multiple times and you changed color multiple times, because every time when we change color, it's actually more damaging. Or if you do lots of highlights, like these lightenings, like all these tin foils and blah, 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 then definitely go with Metal Detox. So this is for the heavy duty stuff, and this is for the simple stuff.
The Metal Detox series presents a compelling concept. Its distinctive name, Metal Detox, not only captures attention but also explains the impact of metal deposits on hair and hair color. Tailored specifically for heavily colored and overprocessed hair, this series delivers immediate improvements in strength and hydration, while notably enhancing hair texture for a smoother touch. What sets it apart is its ability to maintain hair's lightness. Unlike traditional heavy-duty repair products intended for severely damaged hair, those with highly porous and damaged hair will find satisfaction in this product, while individuals with healthy, unprocessed hair may want to look for alternatives.
So I hope you find this video somewhat helpful. If there is something more that you would like to know, then please leave me a comment below. Subscribe to the channel for more hair care contents in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.